Hi everybody, Bonnie Lee on the Riverside Debussy. If you can't get enough steps on all of the tours, I guess you could come in here and technically do a little bike riding. They also have a scale, which I am going to counsel you to stay away from. Cold water, towels, different balls that you might exercise with, free weights, yoga mats, and this, guys. So let me tell you, if you want to do some exercise, and many people do, this is a great opportunity. Fitness on the Riverside Debussy, and it is on deck number 1, right next to the laundry. Call me crazy, but one of my favorite areas, which is the guest laundry. This is self-service. I love it because when I travel with carry-on only, and when you're traveling with carry-on only and you're going to be gone a week, you are going to want to be able to do some laundry. Of course, the ship has laundry service you can use, but if you like to just do your own laundry, here you go. Two washing machines, 2 dryers, a full area to press if you would like. They've got a steamer up top here. Now, I'm not certain why someone would want to watch TV when you're in here. I'd probably want to go upstairs and watch the scenery. But hey, guest laundry. Do it yourself in the Debussy, or have the staff pamper you and do your laundry. See you later. Bye.